Morning. So, I decided to play a game for a little bit um, before work starts. Um, and apparently I need to fix OBS. One second. That needs to be below the game. And you also need to be below the game. And I need to pause the music before Twitch gets mad at me. Anyway, there. The graphics are now fixed as far as where the graphics are supposed to be. Going back to the game. So, anyway, I decided to play a game a little bit before work today. Today's going to be a long day at work. And, so, yeah. Because today's going to be a long day at work, I'm just going to take a little bit of time to relax before I actually have to start working. As far as Ashkelon Industries, that's actually the name of the company that I have, or the safe game I have inside of Kerbal Space Program. I even got my own flag that I made. Not that it really matters that much. Just tired. This is one of those mornings where I didn't really want to wake up. I was fighting an uphill battle just to get my eyes open. So. Let's see. Start. Resume settings. Load. Let's see. What are my current missions? Crew fort, heat shield, and tourist. Those tourists are difficult. Let's see. Do I have any other tourist? It's the high G adventure for the tourist that is difficult. I don't have enough experience causing my people to pass out. And I haven't managed to orbit Kerbin yet. So, let's see. Let's start with this facility. What are my building limits? Ah, yes, that's my problem. Or one of my problems. What was my last build? Oh, that. Let's forget that because that's failing. Okay. I can create folders. Yes, I can do great. Yeah. Move. And touch. Okay, whatever. Okay. Alright, whatever. What is wrong with you? Alright, really? Why? Okay, that's getting in a little bit. Okay. Orbiter 01 test. Stripped. Let's see. Do I have Mac? I do have MacJeb. Good. That means I don't have to sacrifice Kerbals. MacJeb, 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 MacJeb. This we installed inside the cockpit, as along with the flight computer. Now, there we go. Now, what was next? MacJeb's gonna require power. Coupling. Yeah. There you go. Power, electricity. Haven't researched that far. Okay, fine. Install enough batteries and it won't matter. Electrical. I can't do that many. I've got a weight limit. Well, not a weight limit, a part limit that I have to deal with. Let's start with 2. I can add more later once I unlock the ability to do that. Let's see. Heat shield. Heat shield will be here. This one, because that one's useful, unlike the other one. Yeah. I need to check something, but I'll have to check it in a second. Meantime, I need communication. Um, I only need one. That's what I wanted. This is gonna be open. I need to see where I'm putting this because I can't just do four symmetry. Well, technically I can, but is there something else I can? I can use that for symmetry or structural. No. Well, no. Actually, yes. I want this underneath that. Underneath this. Close that for now. That's for re-entry landing. Let's see. Okay, so this part might not make sense for some people, but I'm doing this part for a reason. It moves the aerodynamics towards the front of the ship at the moment, which is usually bad. However, I'm gonna have bigger wings on the back. The purpose of these wings is because I'm initially sending the ship up unmanned, and when it goes to re-enter the atmosphere, it's gonna have a slight problem. Said slight problem being, when it re-enters the atmosphere, it's going to try to do a nosedive, and that will be uncontrolled due to the fact that I believe I've got plasma blackout enabled, which means I can't, as long as flames are around my ship, I can't control it via remote control. I can still control it if I've got curveballs in there, but that's about it. Anyway, parachutes. Parachutes, that's under utility. So this one, in case I step away from the computer, 0.28. 0.28 is the pressure at the top of the tallest mountain on Kerbin, in case my ship comes into the atmosphere above the mountains. So 1 is sea level, 0.28 is the atmospheric pressure at that level. The tallest mountain, I believe. Okay. Now, given the weight of my ship, I think I need this to be 700. And this will be 700 meters above whatever metric you're using, whether that would be above sea level or above the land that you're on. Though while you're entering the atmosphere, you need to make sure that whichever metric you want to use is the one that you're actually using, because if you're coming in over land and stuff, that can be bad. If you're planning on stepping away, it's probably a good idea to put that at 2,000. Actually, 1 second. Let me do a quick check to see what the largest, well, how tall the tallest mountain is. I know the pressure, but I don't normally worry about coming over land. Good at aiming for oceans, but Kerbin tallest mountain. So the it's 4,444 meters. So with that being the case, if you're planning on being unmanned and don't know if you're going to be well, completely unmanned and actually away from the computer, so you can't control your descent, if you're re-entering Kerbin, put this to put it to 5,000 meters. That should cover you on the tallest mountain. There is a problem putting it at 5,000 meters, and that problem being it will take forever for it to get to the surface if it's above the ocean. So it's usually better just to at least make sure you're targeting the ocean for re-entry. Anyway, let's see. What else do I want? Alright. I usually put 2 of these on. Okay. 2 to 4 of them. 2. I keep on hitting the wings, which is why it's doing that. There we go. Now these ones, you want to reduce pressure for these ones as well, but the minimum pressure should be, well, increase the pressure, but it's not going to be 0.28 like the other one. It's going to be let's see. Let's do 1 to be safe. Altitude of 25,000 is fine. I haven't tested these out yet. I want to test them out, but for now, I'll test them out if this is a successful orbital mission. I think what's going on here is that might also be a 4. Fix that issue. Next thing I want to do is a coupler mount. Yep. I think. Yep. Oh, now for engines. That's my largest tank at the moment. Okay. This engine is gonna be the Terrier. It is not very good in an atmosphere at all. However, in space it is very efficient. Um, 23 parts. Next tank. I need a decoupler there, otherwise it's not going to do any good. Next tank. For this one we're going to go at 25 parts. The swivel, it helps with turning. Let's see, next. Radials. Decouplers. Damn. This is not very good. Okay. I need less parts. I need 4 less parts. Okay. Less than ideal, but batteries and this support structure is cheap, so I can live with that support structure being destroyed. Okay, now these wings here are to offset these wings up here. So aerodynamic overlay and center mass. Damn it. It's still too far forward. Can I get away with 2? Move that there. And this. That's not what I want. That's what I want. But this still leaves me with a slight issue. Alright, anyway, maybe I can get high enough with the... Maybe I can get high enough with these that it won't matter. Got 5. That's good. Actually, hold on. There we go. And then this beautiful aerodynamic nose cone, which is here, can go there. Damn it, one extra piece. Mech chip, you're making it very hard to keep you. Unfortunately, I do need to keep you. Nope, wrong direction. Nope. Nope. There we go. Less than ideal, but that will work. However, I still have one extra piece. I need this if it's gonna be a remote. Let's try to get away with a single battery. There we go. Single battery. Crew. No crew. I do not need to kill off my crew members. Besides, I've already lost my original scientist. Bob tried to breathe in the upper atmosphere without a helmet. Technically, he wasn't yet in space, but he still died, unfortunately. Okay. These have a tendency to come back and bite me, so just to make sure you are still at the right setting, and you are still at the right setting. You two. I need to move you. So that you don't hit, destroy my, when you disengage, I do not need you destroying my beautiful swivel jet. Let's see. How do I want to do this? These two. Let's actually separate. I need 1 and 3. No, not all of you. You two to go there. Let's see, this is... Now, That's those two. That's those two. Alright, that's those two. Which goes. These two goes with these. So you're gonna move down here. Right? No. Actually, on that. These two. You. You two are groups, so I need you two to be at 80, I think. Well, these two. What? They're all at, okay, fine, 100. Be that way. I can live. Actually, no. 80. I don't need them. I don't need the ship maxing out terminal velocity. 70? Okay. Move these back up to there. I changed my mind. Alright. Those are set to 70. Next. Alright. Minimize you. Get rid of you. Alright. Next, you and you need to engage at the same time. You two engage at the same time. Because I need to get away from those as soon as they disengage. You don't have to be launched at the same time, but let's see. If these are set the way they need to be, they can engage at the same time. If they are at the right settings, which they should be. To space on 3 sets, well, into orbit with 3 sets of parts. Good luck. Okay, save this. Why can't I should, if they provide me folders, they should make it to where I can move these ships into said folders in game. There might be a way out of game to do it. I will worry about that later because I've got enough time for 1 test flight before I have to work. So, okay. Cancel. Oh, that's how I can save them. Test ships. Save. There we go. Now for the launch pad. Okay, so that's something new I've learned. There's this little. If you come this way, you don't get it, or if you go to it too fast, you don't get it. But there's this little spot right underneath the button that expands. Okay. Anyway, launch. Now that I'm done ranting and raving and all that, time to test getting into orbit with this machine. Okay, so one of the nice things that I like about MechJeb is some of the controls. Now, as of right now, most of the controls are not unlocked, so I have to to do what I want, I have to basically take care of these angles myself here. Let me see. Does this tell me what my orbit? Okay. So, pops is okay. Good. Now, here's what I want. Let's see. Throttle all the way up, because that's what I need right now. Heading, that's fine, that's fine. I think I am good to go for launch. So, what is flight recorder? I'll deal with that later. Anyway, get ready, get set, double checking all these are in the right places. Okay. Execute straight up first. Launch. Oh, yeah, now launch. Nope. Not working. Not working with those, but it works with this. Alright. I need to turn that way. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. Okay. We're gonna change this back to up. Okay. I need an abort action group, that's what I need. But I think I can save most of the ship. Make this not a total failure as cost. Deploy shoot. Deploy shoot. And deploy shoot. I might lose an engine. And a fuel tank. Um, 1,000 please. Um, 2,000 please. No, 1,000's fine. Okay. I need more parts. I either need more parts or I need a Kerbal in the thing so I don't lose remote access. Because either way, those wings cause an issue with the engines. At least with those engines. It's a little bit fast. I'm gonna lose the engine, I think. I lost more than I thought I would, which is sad. It's okay. It's sad, but okay. Recover vessel. So there's my failure for the morning, and it's time for me to go to work. So I will talk to you guys later. Stay safe. Bye.